We're going to install the classic interior sliding door kit by National Hardware. This interior sliding door kit is a cost-effective way to add style and privacy to any door opening without the help of a professional. Here's what you'll need. Using a level, mark a center horizontal line and align the track to mark the drill holes. Drill the holes where marked and, keeping the track level, install the fasteners for the left and right sides of the track. Do not fully tighten the fasteners. Install the center fastener, then fully tighten all the fasteners. Now we'll prepare the door. To install the hangers, position the supplied template on the front of the door and align with the top edge of the door. Make sure the template is 2 inches and parallel to the door edge. Mark the holes in the templates and repeat on the other end of the door. Drill the marked holes through the door and install the hangers. Do not over-tighten. Next, we'll install the anti-jump discs. Center the disc on the top edge of the door, a minimum of 2 inches away from the inside edge of the hanger. Make sure the hole is closest to the front of the door. Do the same on the other side. Rotate the anti-jump discs out of the way when placing the door on the track. Make sure the door is level when installed. Test for smooth sliding, then rotate the anti-jump discs back into place. Slide the door to the closed position. Slide the first door stop onto the track so it touches the door. Tighten the set screws to secure it in place, and then do the same with the second door stop. Thanks to this low-profile classic interior sliding door kit, we've not only saved space, but also added beauty and a modern style to what would have otherwise been a plain door. And, best of all, without the help of a professional. These kits are perfect for any home DIY project. National Hardware. Inspiration made easy.